Hello everyone! Welcome to the tutorial video on installing the GLPI agent on Windows, allowing your computer to send asset information and device status to the GLPI server. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your GLPI server and enable the inventory feature in the configuration section. Check the Enable Inventory option to activate this feature. Access the GitHub page of the GLPI Agent project and download the appropriate version. Next, install and configure the GLPI agent on your Windows computer so that it can send data to the GLPI server. Enter the GLPI server address. Uncheck the Quick Installation option to configure the settings for GLPI agent. Install GLPI Agent as a service on Windows and allow it to run in the background on your system. After installation, run the GLPI Agent program and force it to send information to the GLPI server immediately. That's it. Check the server to ensure that the information from the GLPI agent has been sent and is displayed correctly. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future tutorials.